And then I meant to build an acrylic case for it. I just never did. So I guess it does kind of really does fit the channel because it really isn't quite finished. I never built the acrylic case, but welcome back to the workbench where we are not building anything because we just hit 10,000 subscribers and I can't tell you how excited I am. So we're having a celebration. We're not only having a celebration today, we're having a celebration week. So all this week is about you guys and 10,000 subscribers. And I can't believe it. And thank you so much. So what we're going to do is all week this week, we're going to have some content that kind of builds on each other. One being giveaway. So we are going to be doing I'm going to announce a giveaway Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday will be the actual day that we draw the giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of all these videos so that you know what it is. It's going to be 4 separate giveaways, so we'll have 4 different winners. I thought that would be the best way to do it, the most fun way to do it, so more people, are able to win something. But we'll get to that later. Right now, what I wanted to talk about is something that I want to do that I think will be a lot of fun for the celebration, and that's, I guess, a 10,000 subscriber build. Now, what that means is I want you guys to tell me what to build, whatever that is, anything. So remember, this is not only do I build car models, but I also do crafts. Remember the Tandem C, cars and crafts, right? So it could be anything. Think what you guys want to see me build. It can be as ridiculous as you want it to be. I'll go out, I'll source the parts, make the parts, get the kits, whatever's involved to make that happen. But I want you guys to pick for me what to build for the 10,000 subscriber celebration build, whatever we end up calling it. In fact, we'll talk about what we're going to call it later in the video, so just stay tuned for that. But what I thought we would do right now, which I thought would be a lot of fun, is go all the way back to the beginning, all the way back to the very first video that went up on this channel. Why it went up on this channel, I don't know, but it did. And what that video is well, it's an iRacing video. It's me in one of my iRacing cars. I think I was just, I don't even know why I recorded this. I did 1 lap at Summit Point in my 911 GT3 car that at the time I was racing on iRacing. I was not good. I was not any good, but it was fun. And that's all that matters. And the one thing I really wanted to point out about this, which gave me a chuckle, was it reminded me, this is literally probably my favorite livery I ever did on any of my cars in iRacing. It's actually the Bluth's original frozen banana stand livery. So in my brain, if I could have been sponsored by any company out there in the world, it was the Bluth's original frozen banana stand. That's who I wanted to be sponsored by. And I don't know if you can even know, if you can see it, but it literally on the rear spoiler, it actually said there's always money in the banana stand. I thought it was the funniest livery I ever put together. But, and if you know, you know. If you don't, if it doesn't make sense, go watch the rest of the development and you'll understand what the frozen banana stand is. But it was the greatest livery ever. I had a lot of fun playing, doing iRacing back in the day. I think I just recorded it because I was trying to, get OBS working and whatnot. So I was like, oh, let me try to record this. And I was able to record a bunch of different angles and edit them together, and it just made a little video. Yeah, I wasn't looking at starting it. Really, I don't even think. Maybe I was looking at starting a channel, and that's why I was giving it a go with this, like a practice go or something. But anyways, it was just a video of me running a GT3 car, cup car around Summit Point. There you go. That was the original, the original content, I guess, on this channel, the very first video to go up. So whatever that's worth. Something else I thought we would look at is the very first build on this channel. And when I say that, I actually started thinking about it when I was running through my head with this. It's actually not actually the first build on the channel. It's the first build that I completed on the channel. And you guys that have been around this channel a long time know that a lot of stuff doesn't get completed. So this is the first build on the channel that actually got completed. And it's it's Tamiya's RA272. Is that right? The RA, I think I wrote it down somewhere. RA272, the F1 car, the Tamiya kit of that F1 car. That's what the car itself is. The figures, I believe the figures and all the tool accessory stuff came out of a pit crew a pit crew kit, like a Tamiya pit crew figure kit. I can't remember exactly what it was called, but it was something I found on eBay. I believe they all came together, and I combined the two into what I wanted to be like a pit scene. I had even like this is supposed to be spilled like oil stains and stuff in the pit. You got stains. Now this is very dirty. It's very dusty. I tried to dust it off real quick, but it's actually very dusty. I had a buddy do the wood plaque here, the wood for me. And then I meant to build an acrylic case for it. I just never did. So I guess it does kind of really does fit the channel because it really isn't quite finished. I never built the acrylic case, but so without that acrylic case, it's gotten kind of dusty. But I think it still looks pretty good. Not too bad. But this is the first finished build on Tandem C television. So I think what I'll do, I don't know if I made a playlist for this or not, but what I'll do, if you're interested in seeing it, I'll put a link down in the description to the first video from the series. I don't think there's a playlist. I can't remember. Anyways, but I will link the first video. I'm sure the production's horrible. I haven't watched it in forever, so I'm sure the production's horrible. So go have a laugh. It'll probably be a good time. And then the last thing I want to talk about, I've already kind of talked about, but I said we'd save till later, is the giveaway portion of this video. So again, there's going to be a giveaway portion to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday's videos of this week. Giveaway happening on Friday. Today's portion, 4 different winners, 4 different giveaways. Today's giveaway, what I want to talk about it's actually that viewer build I was just talking about. So what I thought would be fun is you guys giving ideas down in the description, and whichever one gets picked, and I'll talk about how we're going to pick it, but whichever one gets picked, it's now your build. So not only is your name going to be attached to the build, so in other words, I'm just going to, like it's a 55 Chevy. So it'll be so-and-so's 55 Chevy celebration build or something. So your name, and if you're a YouTube channel, I can put your YouTube handle in there or whatever, so that it's your build. And then not only is it going to be your build, well, it's going to be your build. I'll send it to you. When it's done, it's going to go to you, and you can have it. So it is your build. So all the way around, it'll be your build. Your name will be attached to it, all that kind of thing. So make sure and leave a comment down below to something, to a build you want and that you think might get picked. Because I think the way we'll pick it is I don't know how many people will leave comments down below, so I don't know how many we'll have to choose from. So I'll probably pick like my 3 or 5 favorites of what's left down below. And by the way, leave the comments all through the week, right, about it. And then on Friday, like I said, I'll have picked like 3 or 5 of my favorites, and then we'll let you guys vote on it. On Friday, I'll put out a YouTube post, and then you guys can vote as to which one you want to see built for that particular person, viewer, YouTuber, whoever it is that the build gets picked. Yeah, so with that said, I'm trying to remember. So I will attach you. So if you are a YouTube channel, by the way, you don't have to be a YouTube channel. You don't have to be a subscriber. You don't have to like the video. You don't have to, the only thing you don't have to do anything other than just leave a comment down below so I know your idea of what you want to see as the viewer build for the 10,000 subscriber celebration. And you, like I said, if you are a YouTuber or you have an Instagram account or you have a Facebook page or whatever, and you want that attached, because usually these builds go on for 30 plus, videos. I'll tag you in all 30 of them. It's going to be, in other words, it's going to be your build. So if that's something you want, if you don't let me, if you win and you don't want to be attached to it, you want to have nothing to do with it. That's fine too. Just let me know. But I thought that would be a lot of fun to give you guys essentially a build. One of you of the 10,000 subscribers, well, you don't even have to be a subscriber, as I said, but one of you viewers that have built this channel up to 10,000 subscribers, I want to give something back to you, and not only physically, which is the kit being built or whatever it is. It doesn't even have to be a kit. Whatever you want it to be being built will go to you. But I also give back a little bit as far as, I guess, a little bit of promotion and that kind of thing, attaching you to the build. Anyways, if that's something you're interested in, make sure and leave the comment down below of what you think it is that we should build for the 10,000 subscriber celebration. I really want to hear. Like I said, I might pick yours as one of the 3 or 5 to post on Friday. So leave it down below. If this is something you want to keep up with, if you want to be subscriber 10,001, hit that subscribe button. If you've enjoyed this, hit the like button. I do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I got to get back to dusting off a really dusty old build. I got to get this thing dusted off. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.